all of this related. Well, I will visually check the tone. Actually, visually check the tone. All right, guys, welcome back. I'm here with this Jeep Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, actually. So, guys, this really didn't warrant a video up until I seen this, what I have to do. Now, what I'm doing, y'all saw the fault codes. I have a problem with the right rear. Now, guys, as you can see how rusty this is. First of all, guys, here's a couple of tips on how to get one out. Number one, guys, use some type of rust penetration, guys. You're gonna have to let this set, guys. Let me give you a warning. Last thing you want is for this wheel speed sensor to break off inside of here, guys. So you have to be extremely careful to bring this out whole. Not because you're gonna reuse it or you want to turn it in properly, or none of those reasons, guys. That's simply because you want to bring it out whole because you don't want any parts left in here. See, I still haven't got this out. I've sprayed this countless times. Now, some things you can do, like I will spray rust penetration around here, hoping it will eventually penetrate into the area inside there and lubricate it up. Now, I would try to pry this out and I would go back in with it. Okay, so any of that lubricant that's on the shaft will eventually go back in the bore. That is a good thing. That's what you want in some cases. Okay, see, I have it out partially. Now what I'm gonna do is it tightens up on me, guys. It doesn't want to come out. Okay, yeah, you do not want to break that, guys. That is extremely stiff. Okay, I had it out farther than that. I sprayed rust penetration down back in there. So I'm trying to tap it back in. Again, all we're trying to avoid not to snap it. Let me spray some more. I just want this penetration to get down in there and likely touch the bore. The head of the... This is what we're trying to do, guys. Here's a new one. Okay. I need something to lubricate right here so I can bring this out easy. Okay. If you break this and snap this off inside of there, it's going to be for a long day. This is plastic. Okay, you'll have a hard time trying to get all of that out, but I do not want to break it off in there, guys. So I have some more rust penetration in there. In fact, it has been sitting for a while, so let me try to see how far along I am as far as prying. All right. All right, so yeah, look at this, guys. Oh, can't always get off like you got one. Peace of mind, what's that? Make sure you need one big deal. God. So look at the turn. I get a turn this a little bit. I ain't no turn this a little bit. Yeah, I might need. Okay, so I need to turn it. Come on, baby. Alright, let me try. Yes, guys, the turning helps. The turning of it back and forth, that is. Okay, that helps. Because again, the rust penetration is getting more. Let me spray some more. See, even if I had a way to bang it all the way back in, like that's look counterproductive because you done got it out that far. But what you're doing is, see, I got it in some. What you're doing is getting that rust penetration on the shaft, on the bore. So, yeah. Ooh, that might have been what I needed right there, guys. Now, if I had bigger or wider, like I can get straight in there, I can just merely pop out, but I don't have another. I think we out, guys. What y'all think? Come on, y'all. Root your boy on. This job do not pay. Look at that. Come on, baby. Come to Papa. I can feel it, guys. I can feel it. Bring your little come on, baby. Guys, we are almost freaking there. Come on, baby. Don't do this to me. All right, so I'm gonna have to go because I'm starting to peg out right there. I'm gonna go back in here with my hammer. Y'all see what I'm about to do? All right, guys, here we are. Guys, I have dug all in here. I've got so far into here and hammered in there, thinking I'm gonna push it out. It's still being stubborn. So all you do is take your rubber mallet or something and hammer right here. This is far out I have come, and this joker is still stubborn. Although it may be nearing, we may be nearing the end. You see, I got the head of it now. See, now it's starting to rock. Okay. Whew. Yes, I'm rocking with the whole complete. Like I say, you don't want to break none of the plastic off in that bore, or you really gonna have a long day. Come on, guys. Whoa! See what all the beating I was doing? Look, and there goes some of the plastic right there, guys. Wow. So I literally had to beat that from the inside. Now I know this Jeep is out of production, but it would have been nice. Well, there would have been a hub thing if they gave us a little access hole right here where we can have a straight shot straight through here. But nobody thinks of that. They ain't thinking about these little plastic sensors will seize up over years. So I'm gonna have to clean that bore out, but I'm so happy I got it out in one piece. Look at that. This is the stuff you don't want left inside the bore, or you will still have more cleaning to do. From the looks of it, I got it out whole. All right, where's the new one? Here's the new one. So before I install this, of course I got to clean out all the bore and all that stuff, but wow. Wheel speed sensor, guys, this is how you get it out. Or these are some of the steps you should take to get it out. Look, guys, the goal is to get it out complete. Oh, whole. Okay, yeah, you're not gonna reuse it, but you want it to come out of the bores completely. Oh God. All right, guys, I'm done. I'm gonna grab some sandpaper and clean that bore out, and some brake cleaner to clean all this excess rust penetration out. You don't really want no rust penetration on the emergency brake pads or the braking system in general. See, so I'm gonna go get some brake cleaner and clean all that out, guys. So with that being said and shown, guys, I'm pretty much done. I hope you got something out of this video. If nothing else, make sure you try to come out with seized up ABS wheel speed sensors complete. All right, that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave the video a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. That helps the channel grow. Okay, so and it helps me promote more videos or upload more videos. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Come and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next videos.